side, the ocean, horizon, and you my paradise, my lady.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Andrea, and in today's video I'm going to be teaching you how to do these big bouncy curls. This was actually a request that somebody asked for in one of my previous videos. The products I used today is this Lange wand. I honestly don't know how big it is. It's either a 32 or a 34 or 36, somewhere around that range, but it's the bigger to medium-ish size. It's not the smallest one that they carry. I got mine at TJ Maxx, I think, maybe a year ago. Yeah, about a year ago for like 15 bucks. And then also I use this Pantene Nourishing Oil. It is awesome. It smells so good, like sweet candy a little bit. And it doesn't weigh your hair down. It's very lightweight, so you can use as much as you want and it'll never weigh your hair down. Also, if you guys want to like add a little bit more volume, or like if your hair is like a day or two old and the oils are kind of weighing it down, you can always use a brush. Sorry, there's a little bit of hair in there, but you can always use a brush that's kind of like this, where it has some boar bristle. I call it boar bristle. I don't know if that's the actual term, but some bristles in there, as well as like regular hairbrush things. And then just run it through your hair at the root, and it kind of brushes out some of that oil like so. But if you guys want to know how to get this look, then just keep on watching. Alright, I'm going to start by taking down my mom bun. I washed my hair yesterday and just threw it up in a bun. But I'm going to take a brush and brush out my mane. The only product that I've been really using in my hair lately is this Pantene Nourishing Oil Serum. It's really lightweight and it smells really good too. And I can use a ton of this and it won't like weigh my hair down or make it feel greasy. So first, what I'll typically do is just kind of take the front and put it up in a clip. There, and I just clip it up just like that. Split my hair down the middle. And then don't forget to put on your glove. I'll be using a wand, so this is to protect my hand from getting burnt to a crisp. I usually typically start from the bottom, the nape of the neck. Hold the hair with the hand that's in the glove, and then just wrap it around. And I hold the end on here for about 5 seconds. Pull the wand out and then hold for a little bit. That kind of just helps the curl cool in this shape. I like using a wand to do my hair now because, I don't know, in my mind at least, I feel like it's healthier on the hair than using a flat iron. I still like doing my hair straight with a flat iron, but this I feel like keeps the integrity of the hair a lot better because not every strand is touching the hot tool. I can probably get my hair done without distraction in about less than 10 minutes maybe by doing this. Some pieces I'll grab larger pieces, sometimes I'll grab smaller ones, and that will make either the curl a lot tighter if you use a smaller section of hair versus if you use a bigger piece of hair, the curl will be a lot more loose. Have you guys ever noticed my pineapple tattoo right there? Me and my sister have matching tattoos. Hers is on her back though, and mine is on my forearm. I'm probably going to speed up this video because it's honestly really repetitive. Oh, and I probably should mention too, I wind the hair around the barrel of the wand away from my face. Okay, now that I'm on the opposite side, I'll show you guys what I do. Pretty much the same as the other side. So, holding the barrel outward, away from the face. And I mean, even with the glove on, it still gets hot, but obviously it's better than touching the barrel fully on with no glove on. So always wear a glove when you are using a wand. You do not want to burn yourself. I have burned myself with my wand before, accidentally on like the back of my ears. It's not fun. It hurts. And I just realized that I'm not completely in frame, but my chair won't go back any further because my daughter's crib is right behind me, but so sorry if you can't see parts of this tutorial. But I leave the top front portion of my hair for last because that's just the way I do things. There's not really a reason for it except for I want it out of my way when I'm wrapping my hair around the wand. Pay close attention when you're wrapping the barrel when you want height from the root to make sure that, I don't know if you guys can see that, but how the hair is not down like this but up like this. And then wrap it, that way it gives it a little bit more volume in the front. If I want super volume, I'll use Velcro rollers as soon as I'm done curling a piece. I will stick it in a Velcro roller. But typically I'll only do that if I like want to be va-va-voom. And on a typical day, I usually don't even do my hair at all. It's always up in a mom bun wet from the shower. That curl turned out kind of weird. I'm gonna redo that one. There, that's better. This one turned out kind of funky. Let's redo this. And we're done. I typically won't really play with my curls for a while. I'll let them cool. But you kind of just shake them out like this. And then I'm going to let it cool like that. Alright guys, this is the finished look. These are my bouncy curls. Sorry, I'm still styling, but I don't typically put hairspray in my hair. I'll only really put hairspray in my hair if I like go anywhere or a wedding where I need my curls to stay A1. So, but yeah, this is what it looks like on day 2 mom bun hair. If you guys like these type of videos, just let me know in the comments down below and I can do more tutorial type things. I'm not very good at explaining things, but if you guys like this video, please comment, like, and subscribe. Please, I'm trying to get up to 500 subscribers by the end of January. I'm only 5 subscribers away from 500, so that would be great if you guys could become part of my little tiny pineapple family. But yeah, see you guys next time. Bye. One, two, three, four, five.